Today I'm going to talk to you about the installation of a Regulo PRV controller on an AVK Series 859 pressure reducing valve. PRV controllers are used to regulate pressure with flow within the water network. To begin with, we will remove the plug from the rear of the pilot. We will replace the plug with the adapter and bias chamber. Once the bias chamber is tightly in position, we can then connect the 6mm control pipe to the bias chamber. This simply pushes in the rear of the bias chamber. We will then continue with the pressure transducers for both the inlet and the outlet of the PRV. Once all these are on, we can then open the ball valves. That will ensure we have pressure to the controller, and then recommission the pilot. You will then program the controller to suit however you wish to control the network. These are generally used with time control, switching at night, flow control connecting to a meter where the meter dictates how the controller responds to the PRV, or through the closed loop system where the controller will communicate with nodes within the network.